everyone, welcome back to my new video. You probably see my hands got red stuff because I spilled my water tint twice today. I can't believe it. Now it's like a little bit already gone. Feel so sad. I think this is because the cap and the body part is same size. And when I grabbed the lip tint, it was go this way and I was like open this way. So that's why I spilled twice today. Can't believe I make this mistake. Okay, back to the topic. So in today's video, I'm going to do something very interesting, and a few YouTubers already did this experiment, and I want to do this too on my skin. It'll be very interesting to look at what your makeup will look like under microscope. This one is from Amazon. The link is in the description box. I'm quite excited to show you guys, and I will show you my eyebrow, eyeshadow, lashes, and the blush and my lips to see what they look like. So the first thing is to download the app called Maxi. So this app is connected to this tool. I need to turn this on first. When you turn it on your phone, you will see the Maxi Wi-Fi, and you need to connect it with the Maxi Wi-Fi, and then you can use it to take the cap out. This button is LED light, so you can turn it on. Right here is how you focus on what you're looking at. 50 max to 1000 max. Yeah, you will see my eyebrows, so I'm going to record it on my phone. I need to focus on this. Put it on your eyebrow. It is very gross. So right now it's about 3 p.m. I have been wearing this makeup maybe about 4 to 5 hours. You can see that I already got oil, a lot of oil. Okay, let's record it. Okay, can you? So, whoa, right now it's very clear now. Oh my god. Look, that's one part of my skin. It's my eyebrow. Okay, I need to fix it a little bit. Just wait me for a minute. I need to find a smaller mirror. Whoa, look, the skin over here. It looks like something plugged my pore. Can you see that? Wow, that's super gross. Something in my pore. And I need to do a face mask and see if I can get better. Oh, that's very gross. Super gross. So this is a part of my eyebrow. Let's move to here. So yeah, this is the makeup I put it on. Wow, it looks very dirty, the makeup. See? The makeup is not even out. This is like a chunk on my skin and on my eyebrow. Oh, I don't have much eyebrow towards the end. That's super gross, and it's very oily. I can't believe my skin is this oily. Okay, that's my eyebrow. So next I'm going to say the worst part on my face. That's my forehead. I'm going to use it to say how gross my forehead is. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Look, and I need to see that I already put on foundation and powder, the anti-oil powder. I can still see so much oil. It's so greasy. Wow, my forehead is super greasy. I think next time I'm going to test my skin is after I did the face mask and after I wash my face and see if the result is different than today. I got some hair. I got some hair on my forehead. Can you see that? I can't believe it. Ah, it's very greasy. Okay, so I recently had a little bit pimple. See, you can already see this, but you can see from here it's a little bit red. Okay, let's go find my pimple. Okay, right here. Okay, it is. You can't already see the pimple. Actually, it's not formed yet, but it's like it's starting. Do you know what I mean? When acne is starting, this part it just hurts. When you touch it, it hurts, but you can't actually really see the acne. Okay, I think I find. So right here, this spot is a little bit. Wow, so oily, so gross. Yeah, this part is a little bit red. Can you see that? And the acne is not formed yet, but it's starting. It's starting. Maybe you can see a little bit. It's right here. It's very hard to see, and I already put foundation. Let's see my cheeks. My cheeks is looking better. It takes a little time to be focused. Okay, you can see that my cheeks, the skin on my cheeks, it's not bad compared to my forehead. My forehead is just wow, so gross, and my cheeks is not bad. Like you can see the hair. Oh, why I have hair on my cheeks? Oh, I can't believe I have hair on my cheeks. Okay, my nose. Wow, wow, my nose is super oily and disgusting. Goodness, I don't even feel my nose oily, but it looks very oily under the microscope. Okay, let's see this part of my skin. This is like a horror movie. So much bumps. So this is the skin around this area. So gross. I can't believe how gross my skin, like right here, it has a lot of bumps. Yeah, this part of skin does has bumps. And you know what? I already put foundation right here. It's still a mess. You want to look at my lips? Okay, this is my lips. You can see that I have like cracked water tint still in the crack of my lips. This is from the lip tint. My lips is not very gross under the microscope. Do you want to look at my lashes? Okay, let's look at my eyelashes or eyeliner. Ew. It really looks like mosquito legs. So because of lights, you need to close your eyes and do the experiment. It's not as gross as my forehead skin, and those are the glitters. So on my eyelids, those are the eyeshadows. It has a lot of red glitter. Look at, I want to see my eyeliner, how my eyeliner look. Okay, my eyeliner look not bad, right? Well, I'm kind of addicting. I want to look at everywhere with the microscope. I think as long as you put on mascara, your lashes will look like mosquito legs, especially under the microscope. This is a really interesting toy to look at your like skin condition and your makeup. That's very cool. And after I looked at my skin under the microscope, I really want to do a face mask, a peel-off face mask, suck those dirt out of my pore. You can see, especially my forehead, looks like the something plugged my pore. So right now I'm looking at exfoliation mask. I want to do a separate videos to compare my pore condition, the before and after. I really want to see if those masks really works, really like pull out the stuff out of your pore. If you don't have this, you will not know if this mask works. But if you have this, you can check it yourself, right? Before you do the mask, you check your pore, and after you do the mask and check it again. So right now I'm looking, oh, I do have the mud mask, so maybe I will try the one I have first. And for this part of my skin, it has bumps. I think most people have bumps here, right? I mean, it's not smooth like cheeks. It has some degrees of little bumps around right here. I think everybody has it. Is there any way to smooth out the bumps? And I can imagine that without foundation, without powder, it might be worse. It might be worse. I wonder, do you guys want to see my skin on my arm? Let's see, let's look at it. Let me turn it back on. This is my skin on my arm. You can see all the lines, but no oil, no oil at all. This has to be the best part of skin I have. It's right here, it's the best. You can see, right? Even the color, this part is so bright, so bright. My skin tone is so dark compared to the skin on my arm. And let's see right here. Oh, I do have some hair. I do have some hair on my arms, but not much. It's a little bit. It is impossible to make my face skin as good as my arms. Even the color, wow. Why the skin is so good right here? Yeah, I forgot to show you guys my skin right here. My skin right here is almost the same like my skin on my arm. Okay, this is my skin right here. It's a little bit oily, but it's not too bad, right? It's still a little bit oily, but not too bad compared to my forehead. Wow, my forehead is just like the oil field. It's like an oil field. My forehead produces so much oil, and the skin looks so bad like right here. I don't know what is the red spot. Maybe it's my line. This part is very gross. My skin looks pretty good with foundation in real life, but under this thing, it looks like a disaster, very gross. I really need to do something, improve it. Yes, I will show you guys the video. So in the future videos, when I review the skincare product, I will show you the super close up before and after, so you can see the result very clearly. So for one of my future videos, I'm going to do an experiment using a set of specific skin product towards my pore, and I already got it. So I'm going to make that video to show you guys the differences before and after using the microscope. I'm super happy to have this tool. This is a really great tool for beauty. Maybe it's not just good for beauty and for other stuff, but if you really care about your skin, I highly recommend this one. This will give you a close-up to look at your skin. The link is in the description box. Check it out. I need to take some actions to my skin deep cleaning. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you in the next video soon. Bye! Hope you had fun watching it.